Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Wave apps, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create a profit and loss statement or a PNL in your Wave apps? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a profit and loss with Wave apps anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a business, you know that sometimes you need to put together a profit and loss in order to get a loan, or sometimes even to sell your business. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Wave app. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Wave apps, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to put together a profit and loss statement, here on the left side, you want to click on Report. Once you do that, you want to scroll down to this section here called Financial Statement. Next to there, you want to go ahead and click here, Profit and Loss Income Statement. Okay, once you click there, it's automatically going to show you a PNL in your Wave app. But by default, it's going to be for the current year. So as you can see right here, now, depending on who's asking for your PNL, you want to go ahead and update this report. So click right here in date range. So you can do it by year, or you can do it by calendar quarter. You can also do it by month. So for example, let's go ahead and do Q4 2024. And as you can see, it updates the dates right here. Next, you can go ahead and choose the report type. Is it going to be accrual or cash basis? All right. So once you have the date range the way that you want it, go ahead and click on Update Report. All right. And you can see the PNL has updated in Wave apps. All right. So that is the PNL statement. Now, if you want to see more details, click right here, More Details, and you can see it opens up. And what you can do now is you can go ahead and click on Export here on the top right. Now you can export this as a CSV or a PDF. So if your accountant is asking for a spreadsheet, you want to choose CSV. If you just need something to print out, you want to go ahead and use PDF, or if you need to email this out. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to put together a profit and loss statement or a PNL with your Wave apps, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.